My name's Wainwright. I'm from Cheshire and I've been judging the Welsh Section B ponies. The standard was absolutely fantastic. I've loved every minute of it. The classes have been tremendous. I just want to thank all the competitors for actually bringing their animals forward. There's been animals here from what it appears to be all over Europe, and it's just been an absolute pleasure to judge. The show have really looked after me fantastically. The steward's been wonderful in the ring. It's just been a really, really pleasurable experience. My champion pony, for me, absolutely oozed Welsh character. It had lots of substance. He was very, very Welsh in his type, and I feel he's going to pass on a lot of his attributes to his stock. I think he's got a lot to offer the breed, and I also think the reserve pony has as well. I think they were both very good types of Welsh pony. I'm looking for a pony that has got a nice front, that I can maybe, if wanted to, sit on it and ride it. I'm looking for an animal that moves nicely. I'm looking for all the Welsh characters, so a really nice Welsh head. I'm looking for good hindquarters, good limbs, and just something that tells me it's a Section B pony. I've absolutely loved it. I think you probably gather that.